have sung for 1,000 years.
The reason that I'm running for office is because I'm just tired of the way that some of our elected officials speak to our residents and business owners.
You did say something referencing you want to add more artists off somewhere on Central Avenue. What is there in store for the people of the low-income community? I'm saying, is there somewhere that I can get a permit if I just want to park on certain days when I need to take the train into Manhattan? That $75 fine was going to go to $150, which it already has, and now it's going to go further?
Okay, number one, let's not do the back and forth.
I'm yelling at the TV.
You know, you're still rude, thank you. No different than the former administration.
I want to echo what Ms. Dolman said. You are indeed rude. Mary Forster, you were put into office to represent this community. Instead, you succeeded in dividing this community, and that goes way back last March. Do what you're supposed to do once again, and stop this backbiting and throwing rocks and hiding your hand that you constantly do. Can't deal with that here.
I'm yelling at the TV.
Throw a lot of crap out there.
No, don't tell me to relax. Don't hand me that schoolgirl crap.
I'm yelling at the TV.
You can't come back up.
I'm yelling at the TV. The reason that I'm running for office is because I'm just tired of the way that some of our elected officials speak to our residents and business owners. I will get the job done.